Hi there, Todd Whatley, certified elder law attorney with Generations Legal Group. We are up to question number 44. One of my favorite questions is, how do I avoid guardianship? So if you've kind of caught on, my whole goal as an attorney is to never go to court. Okay. And I had a client one time say, how do you make any money if you don't go to court? Well, easy. I'd sit at my conference table and I solve problems all day. And I help people never go to court, because when you go to court, you don't ever know what's going to happen. It's expensive. It's a waste of time. It's just a mess. And there's lawyers who love to go to court. I don't. I don't like it, and my clients don't like it. And it's rarely in my client's best interest to ever go to court. And so my goal is to never go to court. I want to dress like this. I'm going to pull over in some khakis and tennis shoes to the office and help people. Okay. And so guardianship is one of those things that's easy to avoid. Okay. But how you avoid it is, well, first, what is it? Okay. Guardianship is when a person has become incapacitated and they have no legal documents out there that appoint someone else to make decisions for them. When you become incapacitated, you can't make decisions anymore. Okay. You are incapacitated. And you're unconscious, or you have advanced dementia, Alzheimer's, cognitive impairment, things like that mean that you're not making good decisions, and someone needs to be able to sign checks for you and close accounts and open accounts and deal with people and just do things for you. And if you become incapacitated and you don't have any legal document out there to appoint someone, we're going to court. A judge will take away your rights. First, deem that you're incapacitated through medical testimony from neighbors, friends, whoever, saying all the crazy stuff you're doing or things you've messed up. It's an open public court. Once a judge says, yep, this person's incapacitated, then they appoint someone as your guardian. And when that occurs, you no longer have any rights. The judge takes away your rights and gives them to someone else, and that person is now your guardian for your person and or for your estate. That means they're in charge of you personally. They can tell you where to go, where you're going to live. You have no say-so in it. They will say how you spend your money, what you do with your money. They can, you have no say-so anymore. So people give me fits all the time about the way to solve that is power of attorney. And people give me fits all the time. I'm not signing no power of attorneys. I don't want to give up my rights. Well, by not signing a power of attorney, once you become incapacitated, you're giving up all your rights, okay? Or they're taken from you. So the solution to this is very simple. It's a power of attorney. Now, I know, yes, you can download a power of attorney off the internet, sign it in front of a notary, and it's legal. Okay? I'm not going to tell you that's not legal. But when you say power of attorney for finances, we'll start there. It's like saying a car. When you say a car, there's a bazillion different types of cars. There's a bazillion different types of powers of attorney. And just like with a car, you can get a stripped down, no options whatsoever. Yeah, it'll get you from point A to point B, but there's no air conditioner, roll-up windows, no radio. You're sitting on vinyl seats and shifting gears all the way over there, okay? It got you to point A to point B, but it's very inconvenient and doesn't have many things to protect you or whatever. A power of attorney that I recommend that you're going to need, particularly as an older person, once you become incapacitated and you're permanently probably going to be incapacitated, you want a power of attorney that is extremely comprehensive. You want every bell and whistle imaginable on this document. You're not going to get that if you download it. You're not going to get it if you go to your criminal defense attorney or your divorce attorney or your attorney friend at church who does stuff for Walmart, okay? They're not going to give you a power of attorney that has the language in it that is necessary to protect your entire estate. And I mean that literally. A lot of what I do is Medicaid, and I've talked about Medicaid quite a bit on this. And when we are dealing with Medicaid, either as a single or a married couple, we need to jump in and do some things with your assets to protect them. And one of the things and one of the powers we need to do is to close bank accounts, open bank accounts, transfer accounts, do things, and to make gifts. Okay. I won't go into extremely long details. I'll do a video on powers of attorney, but I'm just saying a power of attorney, yes, it's valid if you sign it in front of a notary and it meets all of the requirements. But once you start getting older, you need a very comprehensive power of attorney that is done by an elder law attorney who understands Medicaid and understands what can happen. And so the way you avoid guardianship is with a power of attorney, and you definitely want to do that. We would love to do your power of attorney for you, okay? Give you a very comprehensive power of attorney and explain all the powers to you so that you understand, yeah, I'm giving this person the ability to give away my estate, but here's why I want to do that. Yes, they can change beneficiaries on my bank account, but here's why I need them to do that. And so please let us help you do that. Call the office 479-601-4119, or you can go to our website, generationslegalgroup.com. There's a lot of good information there, and you can schedule an appointment, and all of these videos will be there. Please like, please subscribe. If you have questions, comments, come at me. I don't care if you think I'm full of you know what, then fine, come at me. Put comments in there, and I'll probably address them and answer them. But I'm very confident in what I say. I've been doing this for 25 years, and I'm telling you, you need a very comprehensive power of attorney in order to protect your estate, particularly once you get old and need Medicaid. All right? Thank you for listening. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.